Meanwhile, over in St. Thomas, the leadership of the Yallis Primary School is asking health officials to start a sensitization campaign with schools on a case-by-case basis to ensure dengue doesn't spread among staff and students. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has this story.
Back to school at Yallis Primary had a different feel Monday because in addition to their usual classroom roles, students and teachers were tasked with a search and destroy mission.
I've asked them that when they go home, they should look around their homes for containers that have water and to overturn them. Any tins or boxes or bags or any other utility that may have water in them, they are to overturn them. On the school compound, I asked them to do the same thing as well. To overturn boxes and so on that may contain water to keep our environment free from mosquito breeding grounds.
But keeping their environment mosquito-free isn't solely the responsibility of the little ones and their teachers. Health officials had gone into the institution over the weekend.
Persons from the health department came in and they did fogging on the...
Recognizing that more work is needed to combat the dengue threat, this appeal was made to the health authorities.
I'll be calling on the health department to come in and give awareness talks to the school population and to make them more aware of the dangers of dengue and how we can keep ourselves safe.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.